In this video, I'm going to introduce you to modules and show you where you can get third-party modules at. Modules are files containing Python code for organized and reusable functionality. There are built-in modules that offer ready-to-use functionality like math operations and file input-output, and there are external modules which can be installed to extend Python's capabilities for specific tasks. Modules are imported using the import keyword and accessed using dot notation. They enhance code modularity, maintainability, and reusability, and Python's extensive module ecosystem provides solutions for various needs. There are literally hundreds of thousands of Python modules available. The syntax to import modules into your Python code is using the import keyword followed by the module name, which imports a module and executes its contents, and it allows access to its functions, variables, and classes. You can also import a module name as alias, which will give the module a new name for you to use. So if it's a really long module name and you want to shorten it, you can shorten it to whatever alias you want, and then you would type that name dot and then whatever function, variable, or class inside the module that you want to use. And there's from module name, import, and then a specific variable, function, or class. This allows you to import only a piece of the module and not the entire module. So to find third-party modules, you can, in your browser, go to pypi.org, which is spelled pypi.org. And at the time of this recording, you can see here that there is 468,397 current projects and over 4.6 million releases. So if you wanted to find a module that's based on something like game development, you could search game development, and you would get all these modules here that have something to do with game development. So we have a web game emulator, not only can play games, a console application to play the 24 game, there's all kinds of stuff in here. Or you can search for stuff by navigating through these filters over here. So you can go into framework, and then maybe you only want to see what has to do with the Django framework or what modules have to do with the Flask framework. So there are many, many, many modules to choose from. In the next video, I will show you how to actually import modules and use them.